Hello, my name is Gabriel, I'm from Brazil, and I arrived in France first for an exchange year in high school, and I knew I wanted to come back, so fast forward to 2016, I was joining ABS for a 4-year BBA because I'm very interested in everything surrounding creating and running a business. And it was during those years that I had not one, but many business ideas that I wanted to work on. And the first steps taken were actually in class, Some teachers, when they give assignments, they let you work on your personal projects just to put things into context. And that's what I did. For example, instead of doing an internship at the end of my studies, I chose to work with a mentor on my project, Cultura Baguete, which is a language learning app. And for me, the best time to start a project is when you're at school, because when you have a problem with your business plan, just ask your entrepreneurship teacher what you're missing, and there's no better place for it. Except I think an incubator, and that's what I joined right after graduating, the schools on incubator, the Why Not Factory. Because then you have specialized mentorship. An outside look at your business is worth a lot, and sometimes it's hard to continue, but we have these like-minded entrepreneurs that are there to help you and you there to help them. It's a great community and it has been great for us. And the next steps for us will be developing this project, Cultura Baguete, which I started at ABS. And the piece of advice that I have for students is to not wait if you have any idea that you like to make it a business. Just start building it now and surround yourself with like-minded people that are trying to do just the same, because to build a company is hard, but to do it alone is even harder. So good luck for you. And if you have any questions, just hit us on Instagram at Cultura Baguete. See ya.